Have you ever walked into a room where there is clutter everywhere and you just don't know where to start organizing? In order to have a functional space or program, you need to sort and efficiently store items. When dealing with a room in comparison to a library cataloging system, one wants to be able to easily and efficiently retrieve a specific item. Prior to the 1960s, libraries used union catalogs to keep record of all materials in their collection. The union catalogs were difficult to maintain, expensive to create, and they took up a lot of room. They were not very practical in terms of sharing records between libraries. This caused difficulties for patrons to use interlibrary loan. In the 1960s, Henriette Avram developed the MARC computer language for the Library of Congress. MARC, M-A-R-C, or Machine Readable Catalog, was an improvement to the Union catalogs. It was developed so that the computers can read information packages and translate the data into a usable electronic library catalog. MARC was originally called LC MARC. This modern-day solution created a more universal medium for cataloging by enabling a computerized record to be created so that it was easy to search from any location. As the digital age has developed, including the National Science Foundation program that is now the Internet, MARC has evolved. The MARC database is maintained by the Library of Congress, but can be added to by other libraries. It is similar to a wiki that can be edited by anyone. A book may have several MARC records and should be checked for validity by confirming the information from the book's verso page. MARC records have three basic elements. The record structure is the first element and sets standards to follow. The second element is content designation. This includes tags, indicators, and subfields within the record. The third element is the data content that applies to standards outside the MARC format. Basically, a MARC record is made up of various fields that contain information about the books, such as the title, the copyright date, number of pages, and size. Each field is identified by a 3-digit tag number that represents information about a specific field. Indicator numbers are listed after the tag number to specify specific requirements for a field. MARC records also contain a series of subfields with other identifying information. MARC branched into two different formats, US MARC and Canada MARC. They were eventually blended together to create what is now known as MARC-21. MARC-21 was created in order to make a program to be used internationally. MARC-21 has 5 types of data format: bibliographic, authority, holdings, community, and classification data. The improvement to MARC-21 also includes the use of Hebrew, Cyrillic, Arabic, Greek, and East Asian scripts. The MARC-21 is used worldwide despite complaints that it is an outdated way of organizing data. These complaints are widely known and occur for 2 reasons. 1, it does not work well for non-English language materials, and 2, it doesn't work well for metadata and websites. At the present time, it is the standard in school media automated systems. Hundreds of thousands of books and materials are in the system. So, MARC-21 will continue to change, evolve, and meet current needs through ALA reevaluation of the system. Resources involved in developing this slideshow are as follows.